Ay dog fanan ko tay.
Music play.
Fanka soyin kijote Alinga sabawota Alama alayalisa Kalisa Susaina brola Alama alayalisa Kalisa Susina flola Alama alayalisa Kalisa Susana flora Alama alayaliso Kaliso Nene saratalay koy bitala tamala Dini umi funti tade wul koy alameni kaiwa bena Musoli funti tade wul koy alama kela nimata nimala Ibota Gambie, Idunta Senegal, Ibota Senegal, Idunta Bambako, Ibota Bambako, Idunta Burkina Faso. Kamrumuru, Komoto Walang, Yamang Boda Boda. Kamrumuru, Kosai Kulukeno, Langkatalai. Ibota Burkina, Idunta Niger, Munebe Wula, Konkolebe Wula, Munebe Wula, Alama Alayaliso, Kaliso, Susanna Blanc, Alama Alayaliso, Kaliso, Susanna Blanc.
Well, sorry man for that connection error man. Ibukalong. Damn boy Facebook la cool and kick out le man bilahi, you know. So this is the thing, you know, they coming for, you know, it doesn't make any sense coming kaje ko yo. The boy, you know, abijele purka for coming ko, you know, kudol. No. The thing is what I'm trying to emphasize is Gambia. Alnga wake up nga leave. Wake up and leave Gambia. Warm to you people. Ntol me komale. Bambokla deti Libyans. Minyale be bol fa kang ibila cool ke kang boy. So it's crazy. Adoftalenak, you know. Yeah man. Big up Aidarari. Yeah man. Ali G, big up Chris. Warm to you people, big up. So abole nyama, you know, who face it knows it. You know, experience is the best teacher. So yajele. So Libya dafa def nak billahi wallahi taala ku xamut Libya moy tok fi mu lifin ku lifin rek ye fa nga fenkendi Libya dañu ray boy yep be bol mu tale bebe faale ba fale be jihadullah. This is the thing. Nyanda coming understand. Ibe bol mu tale be fa. Make sure you like and share the thing, you know. Ibal jela dol minimum understand. They know it. Don't share it because of for me to get fame. No. Nde you know mben na banko nkadiam wole on behalf of my country. Zimi. So on behalf of everybody. So I saw it stay. So kumumbo nyama al nga try nga wise. Let us wise. Mbe wise la nya dile, you know. Libya be dofrina nak billahi wallahi talla Libya be garawrine Libya because the thing is yalan saying niko ilafa kula Gambia ba tira no nim Minister of Foreign Affairs and this other stuff, you know. Gambia momo, you know, position le bije mi yalan ko yaw, you know. Let me see this thing, you know. Well, I try, you know, maybe nimbe diam le, you know, I cannot jump by at this because my love can make whole life, you know, diam you know. Yeah, man. So I try to just summarize it. the little message I have for you people now say I know them and then I'm out because you book along, you know. Min kan get admin, you know. Min fang can get admin. Min fang.
Yes, Maro.
Yeah, man, bro.
Hello. Inembara. Hello, my
bro. Respect, man. Yeah,
yeah. Ganyo kana dia wo siara wala. Dia wala siara modo from via like a diam le like a don blame ngada ya experience jata ni gere re ka ko complete bandi mon blame da at least ara ke nyanda ni ngaro jadi da jom
so wala kan da dimi ñun mo la ko de buga fellong e ka jot jom
doesn't
make sense want to do
imam
because of their politics
imam ku kile understand je prison anin kidnap manga da kilindi etol mo understand je because
the thing is ya mira foye mobe gara black le prison killing libya la wata gambe di sinam wili killing so libya daw da bladol bije ko ngam ko mo long so mo le
many am go say many ka say e ka many do am ko ke o prisoner ko bo prisoner lo tabulande bakol fulugulu ngoita after to kara kulun na muta after ya bennu silo ka so ni o kulum da prison o kulum ka te tol fon la bu ngol ko just like comme self time full self ya understand e ka mulma police ko puto ya understand so men ka say so kono mo police le e kam fil so mo do be jande la mo 3 years 2 years image wala ka ko mo ka fu ben ya ko ta fon na mo afatale ya understand because ni to mo e jondo te enta push ba kono e ko nti ta ya understand so barantala ta ba kono no wala la tol benn silo ko just like lay boy ni wala tol benn silo ka so nin tol mom futal li ya nin tol futal italia tol albalo ko futal ba nim mom futal ba mu na fala alla kulum boy ta ya understand ba ne kidnap le na kulum fala muta silo ba fala ko ni wala tol samba altan na kula na fala e kan file so ka ko si fala ko la kulum boy ta de modo bi ka fo la mo ko ara la kulum boy le fata modo bi ka fo fata bam fata prison amin kidnap e man ka kilindi
ibe baluru
ya understand je mu blad la men ko man sa tigi so ta tarra siri ka fo moy ko government nyanda step tala yalon e ka blad long government nyanda step tala step nyala EU ni ñoo ka ñu ma just like yamu african yi leen ñi di so yalla e jamu barka fo ko mun ko
ndako wala foy bari ma understand mo be ke de function fen koti ko mi ina ran ni silo la
ngadola Facebook live ji o ka fo ko government nyanda tala ji la tan di no kam government juma bi ta ñu lamto fada
no e mo la understand wala kan de jagal ka fo government ta mul kamana libye kamera wol la den sa
anna tra government step ta ya understand e mo itata ji ya na sa kata mul kama e prison la sot la prison mi ngo prison bo la so bari men kidnap prison na si ara nyama kidnap la from si ara wol nyama ya understand bebe si ara nyama because e ka fulu kuno mo jela kata ko 150 140 some ya understand ni yo be mo be kata alif bun kilo kon anu groupe kilimantan libya groupe me anko be mo mutalalde e kan fille so ni dara ko nyesa mo muto so say ni prisoner but what about say yemen kidnap because yemen kidnap ni bita mo kam wala mo mi nanko e kay men fini video be mo fan ko lati o be mo nyim kidnap lem goy fo do ñaka do jël do ñaaw because e to nem mira ñim kidnap lem ñim mo afo amanke say ko falandi ñim sin sa ameda kala falande mo fa ameda kala libya la bari ma experience ya wona sa be be men naran kam fa munun ke because nga video le just like afo ko be libya no murundi nu gambia la gambe no me anko be libya ka se gambia fada nga video si fa di fa beleje e ka bula may fa la ka bula mo ko tondo because tell you ken ko sama but this is not politic thing ngana ko tan ka sama ni politique wala ya understand wa bi ta bula ron
ya wala kan defan campagne
no ma ka dino mu take sen dino bi ta kan tamol ya understand ne o be ka de baro mo si fa kin la murun nan ko tan ka fu nan ko fu mem step ta e kan fil
wala kan de jakal
bari ka jam kula ku me ngala ne be jam kam men ya wala e jatta jira ni ata man jar je ko mani ko to min taran je understand aya explain ni wonya so ni wala je mbem mo fenkel da min yan ko yalo ye do ko ma wulindi so kande e ko moy ko wuli nana mbe kul mo jolende dawa ni nana mbe ma ko de afte nata atara je ka ko mbe kul mo jolende atara je nestat ndika ko loko ke nyawal len doko ke o mo si falla fambe siri nyam mare because itol yemen dundi tol yalla men tol yalla be mo si fa men il faut wala siri Europe jam ye def mamour ya woni ka ko nana tan be ma ko la ya wona san no nana ta ide ba kulmo jola en yamude yasin di ka ko doko ke so mo si fa kinon le diam go lemmul batandi kan jaw because men muna de ka ko nana mbokku no je ma ko jola ala wo is bad so ita mo blem no ka fuko ko just like gambe falam fa ninkel be ñu ci lo kana fada man ko nyamati amula ñinti ñata mo understand la jël
hamodo no
tani tata la sirin tani de basirim ne ite mo de tata en silo la ya understand 50 euro it yol so 50 euro Europe jam is legal ko di ni nawt ya understand it yo ki gambia ya understand gambia lo yo ko di ba de basirin gambia so ni nga ñaaw je fay tam o fitam ni nga ñaake to en tabasino la mbama kan jibo ñaaw ba enya no na san sot la ni manga ku just la ka ko mo hamu ku fa fengo da yalla go boso len de boso ka daji hamu la ni ya understand gambe nyam no mo yalla na gambe nyam ni ga si man tama fa da gede mo na kuli man fa de because imam baraka because 50 euro ñoo ko ki ñoo ko 50 euro ki abama ñame de si nga ka yama understand so kana fa bo from bi no ñame ya understand abaraka ba ke man abaraka
yeah man abaraka man thank you very much man even for sahayata man you know yeah man bless up is it who is that yeah but it's a ring of no you know because the young boy nka lafka landi bar mal nyaadi long you know iten tollo na tol ñu media call kay you have been bad face to face is it yeah hello but why this thing cannot go down tell us thing you know right so this is the thing akamem fanam potang you know is very true Gambia ko ndola bango kan ndol Gambia e katara sirin Gambia le no moy yetara je no coming go ita ajo coming go ba ku ya man sebi no on se fa non se balu no mobe just jump up like muso aba fele gon ko nyongol wol bebe tubabu dule ito be sirin jande ke kendo lol be tara Europe le wol be tara ba ku wo frustration no damma fa ita se sino ba who the hell are you to tell us that coming go ba ku e kudo So Bukalo, this is the thing. Make sure you share the thing because ningo ya say I'm not coming to be bad. Many and long they know me as usual. I'm not looking for bad. I'm not looking for famous. I'm not looking for anything but the righteous thing. I'm here for my country, for my nation, Gambia, the land of sun and water, the smiling coast of Africa. So this is the thing. So nyanda can you know understand? Kafa coming go you know yes. Ball bijele idunda baku baku. Même fan kan gena dibi ñim ngatara miden dem ba ma façon because the thing is e ka tara jele no ñim situation no be ka kay bu ko son ka diamude e ka loy ka day kaw ka fa muli go ha baku e boy si baku e ni next bin woche pel min ka do sungutol ni sungudu furungol ni muso furungol min ka tare ya fo ko min go ha ete badi ite ñongol mu tatale be tara baku e ñongol be tubabu dule e be ko dol kile balni fali wo kilol la kano ñip boy Gambians boy let us wake up and live man you know more need the land more need you know e haramadu nje hamole bala e haramadu nje laftala ka musu ken dol futu e haramadu nje laftala ka bunken dollo e haramadu momo je no fondinke batarode mi yalan ka ta like le you know pour ka bana fama koy bar momo yalan ko yalla ne bije you know ñu hamo bi la so let us stop blaming them too much binteng bi manya naka bi man sakunda blame de nyanda ke blame le kabri way back you see nyanda ke blame le way back nga visal apply le mbatata nga do kol nyini le mesoto so warm to you people so be cool na think full of things cool folder Libya no la faga just jump up and do our stuff you know it not make any sense warm to you people boy please media mo la bo nyim fa boy wala fintina bo please so you understand so kumu bo nyama you know adiamu siada la man bilay wala tala you know So al nga try nga wake up Gambia want to we mu nek tam tolla mu nan tolla problème moti you know I don't want to you know more calls you know it's crazy because they are most here you know bang bila you know mba call talal demanding you know but you know yalla ne mala for me back maybe just some 5 minutes you know 3 minutes then you know aba cool you know so abola nyama al nga try nga wake up Libya man easy Libya is not easy ndol min ka lo jan ka fam fay ko ala fay Libya attack ala fo Libya at ñi tawte Libya ita man la fi la mul la ita man ka tar siri ñim plateau mi ka ko na gay attaque Libya man sila sayala Libya no man sila sayala so abole ñama al nga try nga wake up nga jibe ko be ñaadi le dani no ita mi man nani silo le ka tar siri ka be fay ko al Libya attaque al Libya ketengal imal Libya long Libya no man sila sayala man sila pen am to you people telling us that Libya attaque hello mbarama
na bro na ñaadi
mbara ba abiyama
korna daye
alhamdulillah man
boy ka mi ko abe ko ñaade you know dara ñu silo ni man na ni Libya lo
yes you buka alam ngata mari buka understand
kuno ko nda ko ba ko modo musu do ko kana government blame about this issue I try to alasta ka kan han bulu ko me ka sa man politics la but it's not like that this way you say o print to fund be kana ja we both know that you silo is ida fanam balwo
yes wala bi
so ni mo not don you suge so ba ko ni is better nga pray mas ni suge so ni nimbe ano the cool find nyame fo mi mol so bo mi kon so they are just trying to bring politics into this matter to blame government about it. This not is something nyame ko ni ka government to blame. It's not about that.
Yeah.
So government no mi muna problem mo we have to know mbe diamla nyame is kumo is very dangerous. Jama bi kumo mo nyame ka mu to wala nyama I can understand.
So I'm crazy tell.
So last time when a government stepped in about this matter, yo mobile bon na Libya and people are start talking. Government can move deport now from Italy.
You see, this is the thing. You can dim wala nang ko ñu wonte boy ñu media nde katara bol katara jande no be la ko you know to think about how to survive. But ni wonte boy these people you know molbe kuma garawdum go katara je because wala you come from point me voting is very important. Tamine na re bol mu ye flat samba Libya. It all at the same people it all start ka man sakunda ñu jalay ka ko min go start la ka rumo ko wuliyal po ka ko min go ha ñu fele be man sakunda fera mo dala be deport la sambi kabra ko la de no ko mun na man sakunda man taw mo kinul kam who are these people not dirty man
kolam that's it omo dun la ko modan ko tege man sakunda ñu daga step ka man sakunda ñu daga step ka
ama ko mun dam dol kan dol mo sa dikolen itel ka libyenol min fon libyenol ben dol wafi kam ñom mo fi itel fa ben dol use kan as comme in politics so it doesn't make sense you know
ñin kay mo wa diaw man si abakare ya diaw man si abakare ñin kay mo
yes baraka baga
bari ñinda tra ya ko ma baraka baga
yeah man baraka baga
problem
it's hard of no you know it's normal. Yes, coming out important is very important. Wafanang is cool because now remember there was a time ball but at a prison order. Kabrim ball but at a prison order. After then another you come more you know pour a pleno in a mole saying. One politician killing city ko ha muna na masakunda bina dinungol ibno it baliela na ku fengol wafi la kordal wafi la nisol wafi sa o mo kilo bata no ye mude be ibakata kan kane bani falda ande wo mo kilo la mudata no ikamol mude ke murundi ikamansa ko mansa kunda kilimo jalay iko muna no woli yol sendi so bi ku wol fengete la broda biji wolle tere la broda biji ikano ikako ko min ko muna na mansa kunda man son kamol sendi fo nyina ray fo ko ngolol kunu ida nyina la kunu be min fokam who are you to ko si falfo after all so this is the thing I saw it stay. Now the reason why I was not trying to how to call it speak the language like English, you know, the thing is, you know, it's all about Africa. In fact, you know, it's all about the world. Yeah, but the thing is, you know, if you see, I was trying to emphasize to speak the language called Mandinka. You know, it's based on, you know, I'm from Gambia at the same time, you know, so you see. So these are the things, you know, that you know. So, but we have to wake up and live. We have to know how the things are flowing. If you don't know how the thing is going, try to ask people. Try to ask us before you just jump up and say, bala, why the leaders are not doing anything? Too much of fuckery. Why you don't go there? Mune atna nyin Masakunda. Say nyin Masakunda ko te ko. Because say ku fulalong. Ye teri ni moduta. Yes, ye la banku dungo ni moduta, ye la banku dungo lata. So what to you? Nye te fangota. You know, ye ni la banku dindota, ebe jumal tala. You will go for yourself rather than kudo. So ede ba fala ko Masakunda nyanda ka kudo leke Masakunda nyanda ka kudo leke you know. Mune nyin Masakunda example say you put yourself in that position Masakunda ko te itaj. Nigeria la majority siaran tol de Libya malam fali wolon ne bang Gambia tol over do yata Libya le Mansakunda e ato dum Nigeria ila muhadama dum min bije nyani Gambia la population of fama nyana kan Mansakunda in weapon wipe itolle weapon also don tole la forces le garawt an tolti where are those people muna ne mal Libya attack who are we ndolle jumadi as a Gambians ndolle nyanda ka tankal Libya attack I'm very sorry mini yalan ko e bije nak because I can't tol bi la more love to mini yalan ko they have been standing. They have stand in a struggling field since in a day back. Man, a messenger from a delete, you know. People, boy, I cannot take any call, man. Bilahi, boy. So, you know, ibuka long. You know, tell man, boy, messenger from Chris, boy. Chris try to join up, boy. Amadu, boy. Nyadi long, boy, ndoma, boy. Because ibuka long, boy. So, man, sakunda killing, boy. Nga terenga ke domandi. Tubabu dulong abe sone alale yes abe sone alale nga kulta domang lang you know
Busket
boy nyari lo
one
yeah era gori
boy I'm enjoying you, so I'm hearing whatever you're saying. Well, what I'm going to tell the Gambians that, you know, here go among the Korondaski, you know. I understand. You call me around with the Rosno Rakang, you know. You just talk on funny minutes, you know. Yeah. So, it is an knowledge, you know. You understand. So, for cool be a demand. Hanga negotiation all we can for you mole when you mole block on you know but no day the more you will not know the consequences what we face in this journey, you know.
You see that is the bottom line, man.
Them bad man people you know they don't know how we how
man,
we came here, you know. You understand? They are blaming the government. Those people don't know what they are saying.
So they don't know. This is the thing, you know. This is not about politics, you know. This is something that, you know, is the worldwide thing. We are not the only, you know, the citizen that, you know, we are flowing in Libya. You know, Libya, many people are doing their things there. They are behind the bars, in prison, you know, with the worst maltreat down there, you know. So what do we? Coming to Facebook and make some noise and other this stuff, you know, telling that the government should make a pocket towards this, please. What to you people?
Let them Gambians know that this is not politics, you know. I'm going to see Facebook and they're talking about shit. This is not politics, you know.
So that is it,
you know. I'm going to see understand? And that on the when you make political code, just negotiation, you know. You have to negotiate and know what you're doing. You understand? So government all day understand this.
You see?
But more busy than going on for the balloon.
The balloon 4 years, 5 years still. Yeah, wala mungkula bondile ko patal wol baby.
So tell them governments to take this not something, you know. More who feels it knows it, who feels it knows it. This is a reality thing, you know. More can life a sacrifice, you know, because you
see it, boy. Ngana Mediterranean Sea, boy. After all, you know, nyinga diare to la fevo, you know, ya fa ko min go bol nyanda sira nying atara politiko nyetol fevo nyame fevo lumine ko yes, you know, munane mam dinungol mako so ndoli tan doli yusulo nyama nyin karre fol kana si ba fala bol ye sendile nye boy min sendino because of ila kola yan ku ko ton ko yes munad ne manda bol mako ye rescue, so it doesn't make any sense. But ablange bula boy nyi nyato boy ga nyomo ko di thanks for the journey, no.
Yeah, bless. Big
up yourself, man, Chris, yeah? So, way up.
You're giving good vibes, good things, Thanks a lot,
man. A real thing. You don't know, mad thing.
Crank up.
Crank up. So, you see it. The almost the other man, Baba, I'm not trying a wise. Let us try and wise. You see it. So, this is life. Among easy. It's never easy,
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll in the face ignoring. And the face mask lesson. I know this is the wrong time, but this is very serious. Ponga join the wrong. Tell you, Allah comedian and Allah sister in Facebook and Ami Job.
Ami Job, go, Ami, no,
you know, this is very serious. Buddy, come back to do tender because after this, men are busy, like, better than Facebook, not as solid. Jani, malo for the program when you ban. Nteman na bagwede, buddy, ntol bele mu bagwede, to babu dun tol bele mu bagwede. But in a video kele about nying, but in a different way, nga for the control parents, ya jele, ntol parents all nyanta kantola di ningol kulu proper, ka sacrifice, for the ningo nyinta tala bagway, front way, all this thing. Sai, mune ati ndunta sai, wole mu, pour I told me alien bagway escape. Adi hanin told me not a front way. Like I said, told be mu bagway let it. There is no bagway corner way. Told be mu bagway let. Kela country give up. Kata country door is bagway. Doesn't matter plain or whatsoever. Sai ni told put at young. I told me put at a poka pare. Alia kaito soto bang. Alman kaito soto bang. Ali try. Alia focus. Alkana friend. The wrong friend soul follow. Nga mistake minke. Alkana ke.
So now.
Modol kanajan ka even kaito sort of kata wrong friend soul follow kata dolo min kata night kolo kata all this nightmare ke kata sunya running all this call ke
no
kela fantinya
to nyalo
after alien bagway escape or front way whichever way like I said ntol be mu bagway leti after ntol fota to babu du jan tol nyantalo na how hard it is ñin mol min ka faten kadna jang just because ntolia escape le dron tolia na ka kol be ñina dron ka yagar ka yeman ka life enjoy ka yeman ka all ñin wrong friends soul follow ka all ñin wrong thing ke alama mo xamana ka ali mol ye wol bula alama mol ye mol tanka wala mosi preno alla parents all ntol la parents ti preno every time but ntol fangole ñanta fana ka sacrifice Control like can life keep proper life ke the hard way. Life is hard nak bari ni ite yalon ko life is hard. Life buka hard kota ke because life you fengo feminati never for like jump over breathe life. I'm stronger than you. You just go for it. Ali try ali ke the hard way. I told Diningol thing Ali try ali study.
Yeah.
Ali try ali alka tonya tamande alka pray Allah God la alka stay good. Alkana ataka mol dan kuminika boy nangata nyinke boy nangata out all the time boy nangata dolo mi warante yamba sabi warante xawma saba all this nightmare ani nalbe yamba saba la kana alkana odu warante alieta fi ali ko beke alkana ke ali try ali life ke the proper way ali pray all the time every time nalba house naka jani ali funti ali alla Quran pray kula wasi bro fale kula wasi bro binasi ala pray before albe funti la bundato aliya asal tanka musibala nata fana aliya pray before albe la alkana pray bula every time alkana ke coming ake no nyami ye pray no soto mi ala abuka pray live I'm tired live look at what I've been through live can jump over pray ali tare ali chila ali pray bula ali ni ko be ka alkana ke Ali stay strong, Ali stay good, Ali more love, Ali ala life plan fana. Alkana Gambia kodo fana follow all the time. Kasten for alternate life plan na. Gambia every time abe ni kala kodo ari ni masoto abe ni kala ma fa ale Gambia abandon de. Bari ala send domande do save Ali ngani land the hard way. I'm making 11 years Gambia kodo key all the time. Acha na chikino sasa talede acha na tengo nying pregnant talede karibe futula teninte alka kodoke ika kodoke evita adon hani ni be jansanji tang sanji mo imam penso abe laf la hadisa abe jere la aw ajube ala kita abije sanji jelo amam fenkeno Ala plan to babu do easy. I'm just advising you. I know I've been here for 11 years. Most of you are not here yet for 11 years. So I'm just advising you like our older sister. Okay? Alinyinta alia tubabudu ke serious. Tubabudu is very easy. Puriya nina. Puriya you know friends all norma. Ye night club all norma. Ye musol norma. Warante ye keo norma. Ye chill out. Yeah. It's very easy. But Alkana song. I'm telling you from my experience. Alkana song. Ali stay strong. Nali friends to me I jikol to me alman la fini jikol. Ali stay away from this friend. You don't have to be embarrassed. Alkana masla, Ali stay away. Ali a friend ni mi alako ala jikoni ila jikol mukilineti. Hani na yatara you are lonely, you don't have friend. You just take your time, you'll find the right friend, But don't go with the wrong friend just because you are lonely. Don't do anything you're not supposed to do. Stay good and pray.
That is true.
Everything will be fine, okay?
Thank you very much, man. This is what we expect from you people, man. So big up yourself.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you very much, man.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Thank you very much, Jerejef, man. Yeah, so it's like, it makes sense. After then, we don't want to do anything. We have it on a silver plate. It doesn't make any sense. It will not work. You will sit at your platform telling that Tubabuduma is this, that, and that, and that. Tubabuduna la kolanya, television Africa in October, honest with Gontaga beautiful. And I'm going to Tubabudu in a way whereby Sinan in Jila Cairo, but Mapa coming back with a promoter or Kudo. So before people will quote me wrong. So the thing is, Tubabudu, there are two things. One important thing in Europe is document. Try and wait for your document. If better Rajang, provide like Dula the boy. Nothing good comes easy. You understand? That is in life. Nothing good comes easy. Great things takes time before they happen. Warm to you people. You just want to jump up, and you create a mansions. At the work no boy, the same like us. You understand? So people are using us because of this dirty politics. Warm to you people. So after yes, mbita janale mbade nyin kampoto nyun ka nyin damalet keta nyin tenen tembuka easy. Whatever you see in life, it must has first difficulties through your way, boy as a kolea Libya, Italy se kolea nyonyang among Libya mini benjibe kan you people know what is kasura. People go and eat kasura and those other stuffs. What to you people? Canadian kapa mole ko ñu be ñi domo kan teng ndunda jana Libyan de man Italian de man da kayto batula wa am to you why not kayto le bani fati jang son ton min nara ni mbak wi nga ñi bata be kole ay nga tara doya mol ko no fo lumi nambe fal wa am to wi so al nga tira nga wake up nga ñaayele nga kayto sor kayto le ko mayata as far as yara banko kan ye asaylo mo segge ko si yela am kayto batu no matter how it takes kayto jarta bila le kayto jarta le time ye batu ko anytime bar nga na tuba bu jar rek nga joko mi yow ila ke nga taraja na al nga overtake ay bunjanglo lum fane bunjanglo want you are you crazy fo de nyamatale ita no be mun dokulla ye taraja ye tara jebe dokul min fo la man sense fo make black work e man tara tax joke man tara fenke kan ya fo ko min josi be jump up rek yena ndako wala fon dokele de al si yale kayto batu min yalla ngoy kayto so no love we give thanks anun kana jogo min ko karib jene tenisa man kayto so ndabi jene what reflect into his destiny, his or her destiny. It doesn't make sense coming will be reflect later. Let us wait for jar time. God time is the best. This is the fact. Nyem mol juduti la on tem problem but ntara fonka judum fongal wa am to wi tubabudu be tubabudu nada ko ngosilo nada nyara silo be mu tubabudu lati al nga si ngan na kaytol badu kaytol lem bal nim fal di jang so be nyi yabate be fokay ba fala ba ko boys ba ko disan that after all manson ko kayto badu la faka mun we want to get in luxurious life wa am to wi so munen to la problem oti nda fala me bol na africa nga janga everything sort on a silver plate rather. Great things takes time before they happen, and nothing good comes easy in this life. You have to work for your life. What am to you? So if you be yabula, tending the refanango yes, you know can you move for you do them from a number of dunia, Hanikati temple. Ye mute be send the leal. Ye I be send the low, the mulkan you mean before. Kai ten, Sakirlen la de lo. So now let talk new hearts in document. So Lila and Purwalen sim body document me. So am I easy? last time for you know I think I need to address that also. There is a modo bije Switzerland. Yes, ala ko tonya you know mole fata. Iko malang I don't know what you know. Yes, alama mari you know may his soul rest in perfect peace. But at least I be life ke kana come ko ka fa baro ko to call the help from Gambia pour que tol murundi Gambia. So bugue delu sakir, so bugue delu Gambia. Lolu jarot ngay négocier ça di o baro wala Halifa Sallah wala ni. Ibe damen Switzerland na foy ko la fa sela ni konton daji si mo ta kala ji. So tubabu duma easy nyama kebal ka fa mo bole ko tubabu duma easy tubabu this is the secret behind it. Europe is never easy in a sense that you know nyibe tubabu duje la kayto te bulo ko it's always hard. You understand? So nyindol na nga nyimbata beta Libya, nyimbata beta Mediterranean Sea. Geo ko ngam maka geo da manja say nyamande no when you are not strong headed. You see me a deal. So what to you? Ina tubabu di man son kela kayto i kontrol nara bakwil. Mol juduta mulla nara bakwil le kon i juduta ntolela. Ntolle nara num bakwil hale bakwil boy bakwil li len ko dey waye. So ndol fane nan ndol kon de kayto balla wa am to wi. Mun ntolla problème odi. Ndol kata munela. Mun koronto le ben ndol setara jang dara struggle kan ay Gambia si. So ba fala Libye tenen teng dunda jane no sulal be mutale ba fale boy ko mi ale takle la banko kay ba kala because of mu marar jawo min keda num komanto you know marar jawo min keda komanto so bin dol bo wala no naratu babu dunya banan kon da kayto badla jumalen toldi after all al nga singan na kaytol batu ñi nan ko di mi yalan ko to ñamu ñi la fekk kayto la we should know better than this you know since the time we were in a struggling field it was too hard and pain for us. Let us wake up and live now. Gambia wam to we. Even among Gambia fango damadi fango ntol Africa what are muna ketan tolla what muna nan rise la no. So ntol mbek ma kilim pola ñimman na eldal ñimman na alfal ni na leader respect. Tubabol na that respect la for the rest of our life. Zimia deal. So this is the life. This is life. Tubabol ke jibe le folo yete yela banko you know yela banko mo ye bunya ye alfal bunya nyade yene ye bunya tubabol sera mo la mi yela kay bunya soto a waista. But ngam fanke ko illiterate be mudala ko seol. This is the bottom line. So it stays. This is life. Yes, ma fo ko min gatara Facebook or momo e rise to the internet but I use phenomenon ko at the end of the day it will benefit you. Ngana Facebook be useless ring. Ko ku yalan ko you know abema na fi la ko male. It doesn't make sense to waste your credit, to waste your internet towards it. Wake up and live. Amanga ko min tol we are illiterate kana nyi wela. Nga visal apply le batata man son tampel di la mulla nga kuol kele nga do kuol apply le man son ke di la with our good results from school. What am to you people after all that you know we have to put our life to risk into this risk to come through Libya, you know we have to put our life into risk, you know, to come towards this Mediterranean Sea. What am to you people? Alama, this is a joke. This is not a joke, you know. So nara ñin silo la fana mol jututele ko ha gaay baak wi ñoo xamantene jangu ñoo xamantene xamuñ dara ñoo xamantene amuñ ben class Gambia. So what am to you? So ndol fana nara jam man kunkem famala man jiyo ken kungo ko ngam rambe tara ñim Facebook to la tenteng life bu ko tambi because dunia ku fulalong, you know. Ma ba ko min bal to la advice kan même be la advice kan dunia there are two things especially atodum ñi na Europe jaw kodo kayto these two things, document and money. So ñi jump up ko kada kodole no ma kayto ina rasot la for the rest of your life. There are one thing is a kayto so no after ne kodo so so bari you know ba as far as ida asylum o seki e bulo la banko kan you know ko mbe nga responsibility tala ko mbeka munam problem o de munem kube mum batale batina lete bo bla bla for the reason it make no sense. You have to bat face to face before Facebook. I tell you this. Warm to you. Crank up. But
What's the topic?
So I understand. So kumumbo nyamal nga tara nga wake up. Nga jibe cool kata nyadile. Ama easy nak, to be honest with God, ama easy, you know. Ndol da malal nga jibe nyanda cool kata nyadile. Ndol nyanda tara le no nga jibe cool bita nyana. Who is this? Well, lava call that, but just some minutes like yalan. I don't know. There are many requests, you know. So nyanda ka teranga wake up and leave. We can do it. The blessing of Jah, you know, abese flow no momo. So I understand. So until you know we are the blessing childs. I swear to God, God love us. You know, Allah entol kanule. Billahi wal kitab. Nkalta man satalala. Ko Allah entol kanule. We are the survivals. Mola ba futu buke tambini no nyin silo la nyin jiyo la. Sulala jawyana la bete ya buke tambini nyina. Kuluna bete ya de tambini la nyina. Allah doron no. So niya jawo kay reason so tole muya na okay. So al nga tere no ñu ala nemati la ala nemo mudundala. Al nga tere nga kayto nga si nga kayto batu. Nganna kuwol ke. Everybody is for yourself, but God is for everybody in this life. If you don't know it, if you want to know the truth, this is the truth. So I saw it stay. So but nga najat rek nga jump up, you know, nga jump up nga ko yes, man dama buga sampa kir. Sa way adi general dafa sampa. Yo nga man si struggle bu ma have been to. Yo nga man fa la jaar. Di hard kate bobu nun bol fele kana Italy jande you know just some year, maybe less than a year be la kayto sotul or 1 year 6 months completely you have your electronic kite electronic paper you know the thing is you know before you be na ya ko la cool you know this key trees and this other stuff maybe wol fanga time ta yela identity card also you know it takes time before that era yo be so you know yela commission no sign ye commission okay want to you e kamana koronto ka fo ko min gol la fa man sono le lula kare dafa sampa tahbi man tan dama buga sampa am nga ko ci struggle bu mu nekk ñun ñu ñëw fii tamit ñu bëgg a def suñ bopp ay fi dof yi ñu nak maññal yele because yi ka mu ne ko gaay jànguñ loolu moo tax gaay ñëw si yoon bii nii ñun tam ñuy xeeb suñ boppa nga jutum fa la waam to wi fay maalon ko min gonto le visa apply le man son ka visa di man son ka tampel din tolla you know man na kuwol ke man son ke dina Gambia the back way survivals because dol bije kam mokle fay ka koy fay bad way waam to you are very ignorant you don't know fe molong ete ala nan tol struggle tubabol natale yen sanol ni because of nañu stupidity mbuga ñoo faham wala na tubabol nara ni mbako do tamoy kananin true bako ile no nata ni basakulungol la mi yalen koy ka directional direct fonyo if you don't know go and read the history of Africa in other Africa nyami wo baso ko wala landi fonyo e pousse foji e ka famfele nol di mamalla ñe famfele nol di la afare ni kana mamal ka sanol di la anin ku jamal you know sanol ni ko di foroli ke di de ni kana yere tubabu du jambil wala nyamo de comme true back way so fontol mo wala fontol la karam do tical mo fontol yi ndol yo belo ne na raji so ndol na rano silo lo just at least kana ko ke no pour be rais la nyami afana al ka jombo baltol min yalan ko ale lokso dal na rano flel al ka ba gay back way boy it doesn't make sense boy what am to you people boy am sense make you know so yajel so al nga try nga wake up you know Gambia we are the same family ntolle bota bakilim fakilim on la ya understand ntolle wuluta so kana je ko min ko laftala ka film be ko for la Facebook min yalla ko it doesn't make sense you know al nga try nga wake up nga live so this is the thing you know yeah man I saw it stay bilahi adoftale nak to be honest with God you know adoftale so this is the thing you know alanga tera nga kunkem fangala de billahi wallahi talla nyimman kunkem fangala boy mole juti la won tam problem tide mola juti wala ndolla boy alanga accept we have to accept it I swear to God ndol we have naranim silomin ndol we know so this is not a joke nara silomina let us know it so nyi juti sa mola wo is not a problem but saying a jump up, you know, boy, it doesn't make any sense, you know. So wake up and people, back your survival. So big up yourself. Yo, King, inimbara man.
Inimbara. What are you
doing?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Hello?
Yeah, man. Hello. Yeah, ngeke molengo. Ngela program la moy kan man because but dinga me fana is true man, it's true, you know, because come ya vo nyame, you know, boy dol bejang, you know, ibgela mind le use man.
You see it boy.
Yeah, because aman jar how jola because ntol be na rajana, you know, ntema jibe ko ite na ning pleno la o ite na ning kulungola ina da bagwe la whatever. Ama woman matter, you know.
I'm a mataman king. Billahi.
Tol bebe janna, you know, tol bebe janna. As you can find it end up nyama, find it be physical mulka for yes, Bago Boys or something like that. So
you see it. So this is the thing, mommy understand.
Yeah. We need to be patient and you know wait for it.
You see it, billahi. Ya yelle boy, mboka boy, billahi. Bukalo man. Patient.
A baby cool, you know.
Abe Sonia man, Jalo, you know, bless up man.
Being able to, you know, you come in for Tonya and Beji Bekan and man.
No love man, because mama easy, you know, you more to the one time problem with it. Because until a point of observation, you know, Kananin Koma Silo and Kananya Silo.
You know.
So that is it, you know. So Abara cool in
Yeah. You know, almost not more than 2 years, you know. So, but finally, I'm not people in sort of but I'm intelligent, and I'm Monta Colby.
Bless.
Colby timeless, you know. Dunia Colby mu timeless, you know.
What all of them? What all man boka? What all
you know, Menun Gambia, you know, let's rock pace and no jet.
You
know,
messenger from a bond, you know.
Yeah,
so bold,
yeah, especially on, you know, more person, you know, it just as you can get a mind they use because but need to be in Libya jang. Yes, Raja Keke Yaman, you know. So you will be face. In order for jang, so you got for you know, you got time to you got 2 years or 1 year, 6 months of jang. So you go it will see no lay butter, you know. So
so don't go on.
Yeah. So I got
so it's crazy, man.
Yeah, I'm easy, but you know, you get me for you know, it's true that. Yeah, Mojamal Katali get a kaitul bulajang, but I'm gonna make sense.
I'm sense make man, yeah, you
regret, right?
You see it, billahi, bugalong, first I regret, man.
Europe, it's all about the paper, you know, so near so you know, it's okay, you know, it's okay.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Abe cool la abe Sonia la ni ala sondana.
Ninga mo gal ka foko you know bagwe boys. Nde jelo fa.
O kan defo mo dofundila man ni ka fo gay bakwe boy.
Man to la har jole be jang my brother.
Boy, ka ko gay. No, aman sense make man billahi.
Yeah, ntola har jole be jang. You know, we have to be proud, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we have to be proud, yo. So
you see it. Jalo of people, man. So big up yourself, man. Aparaka baka, man.
Being able to nyaro man. Mbejibe kane man.
No fluff, man. No fluff. Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Thanks.
Right.